JL here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add money to your Chime Credit Builder. To do this, it's pretty simple. Here, as you can see, we're already in the Chime in the green, which is their actual website already. So here, to actually pay, it's pretty simple, or actually add money to your Chime Credit Builder card, all you have to do is go here. So here, you have your safer credit building right here, and then all you have to do is go to the next page. So you can manually add right here. So here, from there, just make a payment now and then pay your total balance, or you can pay another amount which is higher than that, which will just be sitting in your safer credit building in your own Chime account. And it's just that simple. So you can manually pay right here and manually add your own payments. So from there, once you have done that, you will be having to pay from another bank or just from your balance itself. So once you've done that, the payment will be submitted and it will be successful. So there you go, guys. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.